Alrighty guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we have a 2006 or 2007 Impreza. It's been all STI swap. Our mission with this is to make it not look like this. It's like mega crazy wrinkling, cracking paint. Some stripies on the roof and all sorts of, I'd assume, like sanding kind of gashes in it. Once upon a time it was navy blue. This, that, more paint cracking. She was like carved, more carving down there. The trunk is so whack, even though it doesn't look whack, it is whack. Keyhole's shaved. The wing is exploding. More whackness, more whackness, more bonus whackness. Drip. This is like super. Alright, so this guy's actually letting me surprise him with the paint color. What do you guys think? World Rally Blue, Obsidian Black Pearl. Alright, with the car all in the epoxy sealer primer, guess what? It's time to paint. So here we go. Let's see what color we're gonna end up going with here. Hey, we're back here. We got 3 coats of base. We ended up going with the 32J Obsidian Black Pearl. Then we have 2 coats of Euro Clear. This did turn out really good. I'm happy with it. No runs, couple nibs here and there, which is pretty standard issue. Yeah, really nice finish. This is definitely gonna make them happy. From what it started as, this has definitely come a long way. The bodywork looks good too. So I'm gonna go ahead, get this car unmasked, and we can start to max out on the assembly that we can do on it at this point, and then move it out and get into the next wave of parts to paint. With the STI back in the shop on the hoist after painting the body, I'm gonna go ahead and blast it with some black fluid film. Even though this car is relatively well oiled, I want to protect my work. I'm also gonna go ahead, get inside the quarter panels, the wheel wells, and inside the rockers. I'm using black fluid film, so this is kind of like a oily kind of wax. You can wipe it off if you want, but it does a really good job and it looks really good under the car. And then I'm using a little pressure pot, oiling gun. I've got an assortment of wands to go on there. So I'm gonna start out with like the spray gun part, and then I'm gonna get into the flexi wand to run it through the rockers and quarters. Here we are with the last batch, all in, for the most part, sealer primer, anything that needed the sealer primer. So it was a lot of the pieces that didn't need filler primer. Everything looking good. We are ready to put some color on this. So the owner of this car is on his way. I'm not sure if I mentioned this in the video yet, but he actually told me to surprise him with the color of the car. So hopefully he likes Obsidian Black, because that's what he got and it looks freaking awesome. I'm gonna have the car inside the booth here, so when he pulls up I can lift the door, he can check it out, and you guys can see his reaction. Is it the same color or is it not? Oh my god! Oh shit.
Wow. Oh, it looks good.
Oh yeah.
I can't believe it's the same car.
I know.
This is so crazy. And it's all in here too?
Oh, like, yeah. It's
This
like
is
a
so good.
full-blown color change.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, we'll fire it up for you.
I believe this is the same car. It's so
I know,
good.
eh?
Yeah. You did a good job, thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
So good.
Our sun is gone away.
Wow.
Alright guys, well thank you very much for watching. Hopefully this was as enjoyable for you guys to watch as it was for me to do. This took a total of 190 hours, and the effort put in definitely made its way to the finished product. So I am happy with this, and hopefully he is too. Alrighty guys, till the next one.